Welcome to day 19 of NaPoWriMo and NaPoGenMo, National Poetry Writing Month, National Poetry Generative Month. And for today, we're using a theme from the I Escalade team, which is dialogue. So what I wanted to do was bring some of the world building stuff you have seen me done in previous poems, and so today I decided to flip the script a bit by adding some Python. So what you're seeing is a graph made by Python and Rawgraphs. Rawgraph is a thing that you can take CSV files and other data points and make them into a graph. So in this one, we're taking something from the world of the DipInCode, where this document that seemed to have been made from the 1550s seemed to have fell into this town, and Fanta and Christon are thinking about it. So to go again, the prompt is dialogue between two people. So this is called GraphTalkDipInCode. Hope you enjoy. What are these numbers? What do they tell? Why did this graph fail? Why are certain hues more prominent? Why is the first darker blue such a significant segment, partially elegant element? Does it matter which was profound? I wonder if the analysis process was sound. And like you said, why did it fall down? 'Cause I haven't seen anyone around. Not even a new visitor has arrived into town. Could have been in the open, behind a fountain, just soaking. Look at this timeline though. From the 1550s to the 2000s, it flows. Distinct shapes that alternate and pivot and elevate. But seems as there is a potential limit, but also decline at what seems like random times. Seems to be an increase in the latter years, but narrower margins than how it begins. Wonder when the years were the widening of the stream. How did that community fare? What piques their interest? How did they invest? And that's called GraphTalk. DipInCode. So I hope you enjoy. Decide to do something different and use the coded elements in more like adding the data science, data visualization thing. And this is supposed to be a play on like the world builder. Sometimes if you see a graph, you don't know exactly what it does, but you see numbers and all that. So that's what this is supposed to represent to signify. And as always, you can follow me on IG, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube on Ellis Preacher, and comment below if you like it. And there shall be more.